Congratulations on investing in Chirply. I'm going to walk you through how to get this thing set up so you can get started right away. So take about 8 minutes. What I want you to do is pull up 2 extra browser tabs, which I'll walk you through here. And once we get this done, you'll be off to the races. If you have any questions, as always, let me know. Thanks again for joining the Try Johnson software team. Go ahead and get your Chirply account set up and we'll get you started. What's up, guys? If you purchased Chirply, you're in the right place. This is going to be the next steps you can take to get your account set up. So what I want you to do is check below this video. There's going to be a button. You can see it dancing down here. That's going to open up in Facebook Messenger. So that's the onboarding bot for Chirply. Once you open that up, you can get inside of the Messenger bot. And actually, I'll show you this, how it works. It's going to give you access to your Chirply account, login, a link you can click in here to get $10 in Twilio credits. So if you've never used Twilio before, you can set up a new account here and get $10 in free credits. And you can also jump into the software support group here at the bottom. So once you're all done, you can jump in there. So this is for reference here. You can always log in here and bookmark this page if you want to. You can see here there's a graduation cap. This might have moved up here. It could be up under this tab. But anywhere you see this icon, that's going to be where all the training videos are inside of Chirply. You can see the different types of training. There's getting started, messaging, advanced features, lead gen, and other. So go through all those videos. Those are going to help you with each specific feature inside of Chirply that you want to get set up. And first things first, the first thing you want to do is actually set up your Twilio account. So that's the platform we use. You have to have a Twilio account as well. So we'll just go ahead and walk you through that right here. So you want to have 2 tabs open, one with Twilio and one with Chirply. So we'll pull up Chirply here. So once your account is created, you can log in using your email that you signed up with and your password. Hit log in. That's going to take you to your Chirply dashboard. So under your Chirply dashboard, you want to come to settings, go to Twilio, and this is the information that you need here. So we'll set up a Twilio account here and show you how this works. So you have to have a password of at least 14 characters. You want to use your first name, last name, and email. Check this box that you accept the terms and privacy agreement. And it looks like we have a CAPTCHA here. So we're going to roll this dog until he's the correct way up, or aardvark, whatever it is. We'll hit done. Same thing again. And one more time. So we verified we're a human. Twilio is going to send us an email. So we'll go check our email now. And we'll just click confirm email there. Next thing we want to do is verify a phone number. We'll do that here. And we'll get a verification code texted to our phone. Just going to enter that now. Hit submit. And we'll just answer these questions in this way. Do you write code? No. What are you here to do? Get a Twilio number to use with a different service. Which service are you integrating with? We're going to select other. And there we are. You can see now we had the $10 in credits for a balance of $15.50. And right now, what we can do is grab these two codes here and put them into Chirply. So the first one we'll drag over is the account SID. It's this long string of numbers and letters. Just hit this copy button and paste that right there. Same thing for this bottom one. You can hit this copy button and you can show it if you want to. We're going to hit copy and paste that right there. Now once I hit save, we get a confirmation message that the API credentials saved successfully. So now we're all connected. Now we can actually come in here and buy our first phone number. At this point, guys, you can actually jump into the training here under Getting Started. And you can start with Get Your First Phone Number. Since we did the Twilio configuration already, start with this video here, work your way through, and get your account set up. One thing I want you to note is to use all the features, you actually have to upgrade your Twilio account. So that means you have to connect your bank account and actually deposit at least $20. You'll see that reflected in your balance here. It'll be $35.50. So if you want to just do that and get it out of the way, you can just go here to upgrade project. In here, it's going to say upgrade account. You can enter all your information. So I just use my PO box here. If you have a business tax ID, you can enter it, or if you don't, select no and hit validate. You can see it popped up a confirmation. And we'll use the same one for billing. You can see it that validated as well. And you can see this is the minimum amount you can add to your account here. You can select automatic recharge. So if your balance drops below that amount, it'll fill back up. Or you can disable that. And then enter your payment info here or connect to PayPal and just hit upgrade account. Once you're finished, that's going to give you all the features inside of Chirply. Hopefully that was helpful, guys. Go ahead and get started. Buy your first phone number here, set it up, add yourself as a contact, test out all the features, and get your first campaign going. Hope to see you soon. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through Messenger or email support@tryjohnson.com or derek@tryjohnson.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Appreciate you guys, and congratulations for signing up for Chirply.